Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You will be resurrected barefooted and nude and uncircumcised." Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited these words, "As we made it first, we shall restore it. This is a promise on us. We shall necessarily do it." Then the first one who is clothed will be Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Thereafter some of my companions will be taken from the left and right sides. So I will say, "These are my companions." It will be replied, "When you left them, they became reneged, turning on their heels." So I will say, as the former pious bondsman, Isa bin Maryam, Jesus alayhi salam said, "And I know of them as long as I remained in them. Then when you took me up, then you were the watcher over them. And everything is present before you. If you punish them, they are your bondsmen. And if you forgive them, undoubtedly you are only the dominant, the wise." Muhammad bin Yusuf Abu Abdullah Qabaisa reports that these were those apostates who became reneged during the reign of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. So Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu waged a war against them. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3447.